Oh no, I spilled my mustard. Thank God I just sealed the window. Wipes right off. Hey guys, welcome to another detailing product that I think every person who drives a car should have. The Glass Sealant Kit is a solution for improved wet weather driving. It's going to help repel water, snow, and sleet. Basically, nothing sticks to glass like it would with an untreated window. Other solutions have been around for a long time, but this kit is designed to give you long-lasting relief from unwanted precipitation. Another benefit to this kit is that it makes removing bugs, salt, and ice super easy compared to untreated windshields. This is easy to do, and it's going to make a world of a difference. First things first, make sure your windshield is completely dry, and I mean no liquid at all. I just grab a microfiber for this step. I should note here, you want to use this product on a cool window, so avoid direct sunlight. Now grab bottle A. This is the cleaner and activator. Spray this all over the window and use a microfiber to completely clean it. This step is crucial to ensure proper adhesion and coverage. If you need to, you can repeat this step to make sure it's extra clean. With the window clean, you can move on to the actual sealant. Grab bottle B and apply a light, even coat across the entire window. Use the included sponge to spread the product in an overlapping pattern. Make sure to spread the product quickly. We prefer in under 1 minute for best results. Grab the microfiber and turn it to a clean section, then wipe it till it's completely dry. Go ahead and apply a second coat following the same steps. Spray, spread, and wipe clean. This second coat just ensures you didn't miss any areas. Wait 15 minutes for this to completely dry, and then take clean water or your favorite glass cleaner and clean the window one more time. Use a clean microfiber and wipe until it's crystal clear. We only did one side of this window, and you can really see the difference when we pour water down. It beads off easily, giving you better visibility when driving in wet weather. If you want more information on this kit or any of our other Concours detailing products, click the link in the description to head over to eastwood.com.